I see you dancing, I'm like...
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with Luvme hair once more. It's the same packaging as usual, giving gift vibe. It says Luvme, and when I open the box we see the wig right away. We got a little tissue paper kind of thingy saying enjoy your hair journey from now on. This always comes in the package. I got a wig cap. I got one more of these beautiful iridescent pouches, and inside of it we have a edge brush and comb. I got another handy dandy mirror. This is a mirror and it's like the mirror holder. It's so cute. So that's really nice to bring on the road with you. I like a headscarf branded Luvme hair. And yeah, that's everything that came in that pouch. Lastly, I got this information booklet saying Luvme hair, and this is talking about a return and refund policy. Also inside it has hair care tips, you know, the usual. And that's everything that came in the box. We have is the 5x5 closure wig. Yes, it's a lace closure, and it's a side part glueless lace wig, lace closure wig. All right, so this is a perfect length for summertime. Now the parting is on the side that I don't wear my parting, so I will be switching it over to this side instead, which I don't mind. But yeah, this is really nice because guess what, it's a pre-bleached and pre-plucked hairline. So inside is already pre-bleached. You don't have to worry about going ahead and doing that. You don't want to overdo it now. So you are able to do a side and a middle part with this 5x5 lace closure, and it's a, you know, glueless wig, you know. So this is actually on the more affordable side. It's smooth, it's manageable, and it's low maintenance. So, and as I said before, perfect length for all this heat that's going on. You know, you want to ensure that you stay comfortable but cute at the same time. So on the inside of the wig, there's an extra like elastic band for more security, and there are adjustable straps in the back as well as combs in the front. And this looks so good. Looks so good. It's a 1B color, right? The waves looks gorgeous in its natural state, right? Did I tell you how long this hair is? Let me tell you. So this is actually 12 inches long, and it's 150% in density. The lace type is Swiss. It's a Swiss lace, honey. You know, it's my favorite kind to work with, and it's a medium cap. So, and it's also 100% virgin hair. Let me just reassure you, yeah, I'm loving it. And of course, you know, when we're working with a lace closure wig, guys, it takes way less time than a lace frontal, and you can, you know, still get that look as if you're wearing a lace frontal wig. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into, you know, installing this. Let's go. So as you heard me say before, this is a glueless wig. So, you know, I'm gonna just be using my Got2b today. You know, that's just a spray. So yeah, way easier, quicker, and not as time consuming as using glue. And if you wanted to go ahead and do this without like any adhesive at all, you could, because what I noticed is that once I slip this on, because I use the extra elastic band and stuff, it's super snug. Like, I don't know if you realize how like much it's laying on my forehead there. So that is nice. I've never worn my side part on this side, but the part looks so good. The parting is so good. But we're gonna switch it over because I do my parting on this side, honey. I do my parting on this side, and I don't, you know, I think it's the first time I'm gonna like do a side part on a lace closure wig. So that's nice. Oh my gosh, I know a lot of you guys will love this because I know a lot of females always want wigs like this, but sometimes to deal with a full-on lace front is a hassle, but a lace closure so much quicker. And this is so nicely pre-plucked. You see that hairline? It looks so natural and nice, and it's snugged. So now I'm just gonna get my blow dryer on cool air.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
Look at how look at how natural we're looking. So I'm gonna lay my swoops now. And you see how far apart I put them, because honestly you really don't have to do any form of baby hairs or swoops if you don't. The lace is perfect. It's completely optional, as you know.
Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola.
Wax it, and I'm gonna just, you know, lay it at the roots so it can lay flat. Well, apply it at the roots so that the hair can lay flat, in combination with my hot comb.
See me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola.
And if you notice, it's a closure wig, but I can still put it behind my ear, which looks super good. So I just want to melt the lace down a little bit more. So I apply my elastic band to help with this. As you guys know, it's nothing new. And then I'm gonna make the parting a little bit more precise with some concealer. So I'm all finished. Oh, that melted down even more. Oh my god, that looks so good. Nobody can tell us that it's not a lace front wear. This is it in its dry state. It looks really good. So if you want that volume, if you prefer when your curly textures are more like, you know, big and voluminous, this is it. This is it. It is super cute. And now all I'm gonna do is just wet it up, you know, give it that, you know what, look, for all the people that like that defined, that super defined look, I'm gonna do that now. But this is a 10. I think this is the best side part, like the best closure install with a side part that I've ever done, because I usually just do a center part, you know. So that should say that you have a lot of space to work with on the closure. So that's a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and, you know, just wet this up.
I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola.
This install is it. It looks really good. Let me know what you guys think, cause yeah, I'm gonna get that closure over here 10 out of 10. Love me here, shout out to you. This install didn't take a long time at all. It's super easy, you know. If you're new to wigs, just a little bit of practice and you're good to go, because you don't have a whole hairline working with it. It's perfect. The hair feels good. It's minimum shedding, like it's not a lot at all. The hair is very soft, as I said before, and it's super manageable, so you don't have to worry about that. It's a very short length, so you shouldn't be having to deal with like a lot of tangles over time. And even if like you're gonna wear this for a prolonged period, practice to detangle it every day, because eventually it will get, you know, tangled. You don't want that. But like, it looks good. I'm gonna be sure to drop all the specifications in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link. That's it for the wig look for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.